Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I wanted to show you another project I made with the new kscraft August 2025 Snowflake Doily release. This is a very versatile die. You wouldn't think it, but it is. So I showed you the previous projects I did, I believe, in an earlier video of these. And I just packaged those flowers, winter flowers, in this. I showed you that. That's one of the projects I did. Here's another one. Okay. Okay, so now with this snowflake die, this is what I made. So it's another tea bag favor. Now, I don't have a bag to put this in. I would, put it in a bag. I don't have one that fits it, but I would put it in a bag and definitely put a topper on it and make it real cute. So what I did is that base piece, I cut it in half and glued it all the way up here, and then I made a pocket on the bottom. And you can just slip that tea in there, okay? I was trying to see if it would work with hot chocolate. It does not, because the hot chocolate's too big. But those little stick coffees, you could do that with the stick coffees. That would work. You could, put a piece of candy in it. That would work. You could put tiny little tags for for presents. And you can do this. You can do a gift card in it, because I couldn't fit the hot chocolate in this one, and look at it, it says hot cocoa, but you could put a hot cocoa or a gift card to, favorite coffee place. So these are some options for this, and I think they're so cute. So cute. Anyway, I'm having fun with this new die collection. It's just a lot of fun. But I could definitely see little 2x2 note cards in here as well. Maybe one or two. And trying to think, what else, what would you put in it if you had this die? And do you think the pocket is a great idea? I think it is. I think it's wonderful. But anyway, you guys let me know. All right, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.